In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wrike appearance. If you spend a lot of time in Wrike, adjusting how it looks can make a big difference in how comfortable and productive you feel. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update your appearance settings, and I'll also give you a bit of context so you know exactly what you're changing and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace, and you can see your main interface, like your inbox or any of your projects. We'll be starting from the top area of the screen where your personal account options are. Look toward the upper left part of the screen near the main navigation bar. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your initials inside a small circle, or possibly a photo if you've uploaded one. This icon represents your user profile and is where Wrike keeps most of your personal settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu usually includes options like your profile, account settings, and other personal preferences that are specific to you as a user rather than to the entire workspace. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is the section where Wrike lets you control how the interface looks for your account. Once you've found it, click on Appearance. After you click Appearance, Wrike will open a panel or settings page dedicated to visual customization. Here, you'll typically see options related to themes or color modes, such as light mode and dark mode, and sometimes additional accent colors or layout preferences. These options allow you to adjust the look and feel of Wrike, so it's easier on your eyes and better suited to your working style. As you test different appearance options, take a moment to consider your work environment. For example, if you often work at night or in low light, a darker theme may reduce eye strain. If you work in a bright office, a lighter theme might feel clearer and more comfortable. The great thing is that appearance settings only affect your view, so you can personalize it without changing anything for other people in your workspace. Once you've chosen the appearance settings you prefer, simply leave the settings area. Your changes are usually saved automatically and applied right away, so you can continue working in Wrike with your updated look.